These are different sort of nets. If you wrap up them, you may get a cube. Okay. Now, beta, prism. This was our main topic. What is a prism, beta? I want you people to just pay attention on the definition of prism, because once you get to know the definition, once you uh, accept this definition, inshallah you will never face problem in the upcoming problems in finding the volume and surface area of the different sort of prisms. See, prism. It says a solid object that has two identical ends, and in the brackets we say the ends as bases and
Yes,
all
sir.
flat sides. Did you understand this?
Basis
Oh,
and height.
Yes. Means a prism is the name given to such a 3D object which has identical ends, and once the ends are identical, we can say that it is a prism, and the ends are also called the base of the prism. See, right in front of you, a triangular prism is given to you. Now see one of the end, see the two bases. Isn't the two bases identical? Please
The right one,
please
left one, other
say yes
other
or
triangle.
no. Answer me yes or in yes or no. Can you see the two bases? Are they identical?
yes,
Yes,
yes, I
yes, sir.
can see
Yes, they
that
are
basis.
identical. Yes,
So
sir. They are identical.
yes, very good. So we will be giving the name. We will be calling them as the basis. Okay, the identical ends are called the basis. No other sides, but the identical ends are called the basis. And it has, and remember, student, one point also given in the definition of prism is all flat sides except the basis. All the sides are flat. They are not curved. If it is curved, we can't call it a prism. Okay, make sure, keep this point in your mind also. See, these are the two bases. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha, prism's name. What is the height and of the prism? The distance between the bases is called the height. See in the right
Strict.
figure, the figure
Yes,
on the
strict.
right and the figure on the left, both pointing out with the blue line. With the blue line, it is indicating the height of the prism. What is the height of the prism? You will say, sir, the height of the prism is the distance between the bases. No prism can have one base. It will always have two bases, because in a prism there are two identical ends, and both of them are called the bases, and the distance between both of them is called the height. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, on the left it is a rectangular prism, and on the right it is basically a triangular prism. Why? Because the end was triangular, so we call it a
And
triangular
the
prism.
end was a rectangular.
Exactly, hence we called it a rectangular prism. Such an easy point. So name the prism, beta. See on the top left, which kind of
Sir, I
prism?
know this. Sir,
Tell
I know
me.
this one. Sir, I know this one. The right. I know this one. This is
On the top
rectangular
left,
prism.
yes, good. On the right,
Rectangular prism. Square.
on the extreme
Prism.
right, it's
Sir,
a
it's
square
called
prism.
cube. Cube.
Beta,
The
is
house
it?
square
It
prism.
is a cube, but specifically it is a square prism.
Square.
Why? Because
Hey, there
the
is a
bases
square.
are
There was
identical
square.
and bases are square. Very good. Now tell
Right
me
here.
beneath this one, just below the square prism,
Hey,
what is
Rectangular
it?
prism.
rectangular prism.
Sir,
No,
pentagon.
No, no, sir.
pentagonal.
Look at rectangular
Rectangular
prism.
Sir,
prism,
pentagon.
pentagon based prism, or a pentagonal prism, you can
Sir,
say.
octagon.
Now,
Octagon.
o- yes, octagon, exactly.
Hexagon.
Octagon
Very
base
good.
prism.
Then octagon. Okay,
Hexagon.
good. Good. Then trapezoid
Hey,
based, trapezoidal.
Trapezoid.
Remember?
Yes, sir.
Then again
hey,
coming
the
the
Nanagon.
last
It's the
one,
Nana. The Nana.
Sir,
triangular it is a parallelogram base. It is not a
Diagram
rectangle.
base.
Yes,
Sir,
the
how,
base
sir?
will be a parallelogram also. Why not?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I want to know the hexagon
yes, sir.
and
It's parallelogram.
octa. hexagon with prism.
Yes, sir. Right.
Sir, I want
Beta,
to know hexagon and octagon.
let me tell you, because any shape which has six sides, which has six edges, is called a hexagon. Which has seven edges is called a heptagon. Which has eight sides or eight edges is called a octagon.
The
Which
nine
has
nana. The nine nano
nonagon,
and 10 hecta.
nonagon, and which has 10 is called a decagon. Okay.
Decagon, yes, sir.
Now, beta, rectangular prism. We are studying and achieving some very important concepts from a rectangular prism. Okay. Hope you are paying attention. See, once, beta, I hope you have confirmed that it is a rectangular prism. It has a top. See, it has a bottom. It has a front.
Hello.
It has a back, which was initially hidden from us because it was at the back side, but now it is visible to you.
Yes,
And
sir.
first side and the second side. Okay. Now, see, top, bottom, front, back, base one, base two. Okay, it has called side one and side two as base one and base two. Can anybody tell me why?
Sir, because there is a
Sir,
rectangular.
because they are the bases of the prism.
Why did you
Sir,
call
height.
them the bases?
Sir, height.
Sir, because it is rectangular prism.
No, that's not the answer.
Sir, height. Sir, height.
Because they are identical, beta.
Yes, sir, height.
बेस उसी को कहा जाता है which are identical.
Yes, sir, height.
Prism has identical ends.
Yes, sir, height.
Base one and base two, the two side one and side two were exactly congruent to each other. They were identical. That is why we called them. What is this answer? That sir, because this is a rectangular prism. This is not
One.
the right answer. See, rectangular prism net. See, beta, this is the net. I have unwrapped the rectangle. Fine. So it is a very easy concept, I think. Now coming up to the the definition of surface area. I'll be reading it out. It says the total area of all the faces of an object.
Sir, I know the surface area of the rectangle.
Yes, very good, very
I
good.
can.
Okay. I'll be asking you later. Okay, inshallah. Don't worry. Acha, what is the definition of surface area? Beta, area of all the faces.
Total.
Exactly. Actually,
Total
prism.
surface area.
Just a few minutes back, you saw a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism was based on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides.
Eh?
Hmm? It was based on, sorry, 6 sides.
6 sides. Yes, sir, I say 6 sides.
See, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, there were 6 sides.
6 sides.
Fine.
Yes, sir, I say.
Actually, what is surface area? Means surface. Surface. It is a very common word.
So
And
the total of all
surface
the
area,
faces.
Total of all the.
all the
Total of all
faces.
the.
The total
all
of
the
the
surfaces.
area.
Sir, the total of all the
Fine.
faces.
Yes, exactly. Uh, are you facing any difficulty in understanding what we actually do in when we find the surface area, what we actually achieve? I hope you are not finding any problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, still I'll be repeating that if a rectangular prism has 6 sides, 6 faces, so the area of each and every face is calculated, and then all the areas of all the faces are summed up to get the total surface area. See, beta, if anybody didn't get the point, he will inshallah
Length,
getting it.
width,
It is a
height.
rectangular prism. Oh, I think it is a square prism. Oh no, it is a rectangular
Rectangular prism.
prism. Okay. The length, width, and height have different values. The top is red, the side is yellow, and the other side face is sea green. To find the surface area of an
green,
object,
dark green.
we add up the areas of the separate faces. That's what I told you. Note, some faces have the same size and shape. Don't worry with them. A, D, C, we have named them. So what would be the area? Surface area. Add the areas of the two brown sides,
29.
the two green side, because
29.
one is at the back also. Okay, so keep that in mind. Don't calculate the area of three sides. Be careful. And two red sides, because red side has identical side at the bottom also. So find the
95.
surface area of the rectangular prism.
95.
See what a beautiful table is given right in front of you. It says face 1, face A. Area. How would you be calculating the area of face A? Face A
It's a
was a
multiply.
square.
Multiply.
Yeah, very good.
Multiply both
multiply
sides.
by
No,
3.
multiply both sides.
3 4s are 12. And how many sides were there? 2.
3.
2 beta. Face A. I am talking about face A. Face A
2.
has one side at the back of it. Got my point. Total would be 24. See face it is a rectangle, and the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 5 and the breadth is 3. It is very clear, beta. Use the 3 of A or D, 15. And how many sides are identical to D? Because there is one side at the back also. So there are two. We will be adding 15 and 15.
30. 30. 30.
Now tell me the area of C. Quickly.
Sir, answer. Sir, answer.
Tell me the tell me the area first. Tell me the area of C, the face C, the red one. What would be the area of the red one?
20. 20.
Yes, now you are right. And
22
2 points.
the 22 the
Beta students, are you getting the point? Why I am using the why I am multiplying 20 with 2 to get 40? Because
Sir,
there are
how
two
did
sides.
20
the 42 the
how
42
did 20 के
Because एक face जो है is just at the bottom. I showed it to you in the previous slide. Now total number of side 6. सबको add कर दें. We get the total surface area
99
94. Okay. Now volume, the number of cubic meter need to fill the space occupied the solid. But actually, what is volume? You need to understand this. Actually, volume is nothing but the number of cubic units you need to fill the space occupied by a solid. It is the space occupied by a solid. How much material can you fill it inside? Everything has a limited quantity. I mean to say, if at your home, go and check and ask your mom that you have two vessels. Okay, vessels, dekchi, handi. Ask that how much liters of water, mom, can you fill it in? Okay, she'll let you know that there is a different capacity of each and every vessel. Okay, so what is volume? Volume, when you calculate the volume of any vessel, any object, what do you calculate actually in reality? You calculate the number of units it needed to fill the space. Okay, better tell me, are you getting the definition?
Yes, sir.
If you get the volume of any glass is hollow, it has a space, you all know. If I get the volume of a glass as 250 centimeter cube, what does that mean? Oh, that means you can fill 250 centimeter cube of material inside it. It has a capacity of 250 centimeter cube. Okay, so volume is the space occupied by a body. Now volume, the number of cubic units you need to fill the space occupied by body by a solid. Again, I repeated the definition. See, how would you be calculating the volume of a prism? See what have I written. I want you to read. Volume is base time its height. Fine. You just need to calculate the base area. You just need to calculate, just sort out the height of the prism. Students, can you answer me? What is the height of the prism? I mean to say, which length is called the height of the prism? Can anybody answer me?
Sir,
Abdurrab,
bases above the base.
Abdurrab,
Yes, sir.
answer me.
Sir, above the bases.
Exactly, you are right. And uh, for calculating the volume, it is clear that you need to find the base area. For that, what do you need to do? You just need to find the base all first. Just indicate, just point out at the base. First, identify the base. I repeat, first identify the base and then calculate its area. E. I've pointed out B. Can you see on the yellow and blue prism the base?
Yes, sir.
Height, height, height. These are the height and the base of different prism. I provided some dimensions 3 to 5. Now, can you calculate the volume of this prism? Yes, you can easily calculate. See the base. It has it is a rectangular base. 3 twos are 6. Base area is length into width, and the height is clear as 5. So 3 into 6 into height, 6 centimeter square into 5 centimeter. The answer came out to be 30 centimeter cube. Here is another example for you, beta, regarding the prism volume. See, now everybody will answer me. Which kind of prism is it? Is it
Sir,
a
rectangular
rectangular
prism.
prism? It is a square prism? It is a triangular prism? Which one?
Sir, rectangular prism.
Okay, you can call it a rectangular prism. Volume is equals to base into height. Actually, capital B shows the area of base. Area of base can be calculated since it is the we will be finding the base area. Fine, indicated with B. Since it was a rectangle, so
96.
might be it. Acha beta, the base is a rectangular. Wasn't it a square? Isn't it a square? No, it is not a square because beta in the square the length and width are equal. But here
Yes,
it is
sir.
given 3 and 4. So it was another clear indication for us that the base was a rectangular but not a square. Got my point? Hmm?
Sir.
Beta in square, the length and width of the base are same. If the length is 4, the width would also be 4. But here they were not equal, so I called it a rectangle. So
Rectangular prism.
nothing difficult. 12 multiplied by the height. Height is clearly 8 feet. So 8
96.
12 is 96 feet cube. Put the correct unit with the volume whenever you
Sir,
calculate volume.
Yes, sir. We always
What is the
use
surface area and volume of the prism? See here there is another example.
surface area you have to multiply all.
Yes, add up all, not multiply.
And
You add
10,
up all the
10,
surface.
10, 22, 32,
Yes.
32, 42, 44.
Yes, very good, very good. You are trying. So see, we will
The
be
answer is
calculating the
44.
surface. We will be calculating the surface area of first
Daniel,
rectangle. It is 20,
Allah
12
Hafiz.
into 10. See, beta, 12
Allah
into 10.
Hafiz.
The 10 was this
अब बुला
side.
रही है ना मैं भी आपके पास चले जाता हूँ छूने के लिए
12 into 10.
मैंने
We
मेकअप
got
कर
the
दिए
area of. Listen to me. Be quiet. Be quiet, or else I'll mute you. I'm fasting, beta. I'm fasting. Don't make me shout, please. So rectangle one, the top one, the top face, the face on the top is the rectangle one, and it has width 10 and length 12 as 12. Okay, so I calculated the area very easily. Then rectangle 2, rectangle 3, rectangle 4, all the areas and are then summed up to get what? All the total area, which is nothing but 1208 centimeter square. Beta, be careful in writing the units. The unit of surface area, centimeter or square or meter square or feet square.
Oh yes, sir.
The unit for
Sir,
volume
how
is,
they?
sorry,
Sir, how 1,208?
beta, when you will add up all of them, the answer will be 1208.
Sir, how? The answer 42.
Yes.
44.
When you will be solving it at home, beta, you will be easily doing it. Don't worry with the calculation. Just all the calculations are correct over here. And I think the numerical is also not very difficult. You just have to add up all the areas. Now, if I'm interested in calculating the volume, I should be knowing the base area as we did in the previous example. It is 12 into 10, 120, and the height was 22. When multiplied, you will be getting 2640 centimeter cube. Not units. Okay, students. So this was enough for today. Okay. Just wait for a minute.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'll be stop sharing. I want you to ask questions to me now. Okay. I'm. Uh, this is our question and answer now. If you have any question, you can tell me in the chat, or you can also verbally ask me. I'm waiting for your response. No questions.
Ano बच्चे हैं ना टेंशन में दूर हैं ano बच्चे टेंशन में दूर हैं
No questions, beta.
10 रोजे होगा नानू 10 रोजे हमारे को रुक जाएंगे ये कभी रोकी नहीं करते ये
Chalo,
खत्म
I'll be ending the meeting. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Sir, sir.
Classes, sir.
नानू आपके घर इतना आऊंगा ये अगर कोरोना खत्म नहीं हुआ तो जब भी आऊंगा तो नानू आपके लिए तो मैं क्या करूंगा नानू अकेले तो नानू से मुंह भी लगाते नहीं घर में से नानू आके खा लेना चाहता हूँ मैं हमेशा के लिए ओए है बाबा का पढ़ा रहे मुझे
Hello,
ये
sir.
बात ये वक्त बाबा मुझे बोलता आपके घर रह लो पूरा साल अब बताओ मेरे